Do you want to speak English, but you don't know what sentences to use?
You learn English words, but real-life English feels difficult?
Today, we will teach you easy English sentences you can use every day. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Next channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hi, everyone. I'm Adam. And today's lesson is very simple and very useful.
Yes, Adam, these sentences are for real life, not books.
Sarah, many people try to speak big English.
Yes, big words, long sentences.
And then they stop speaking.
Exactly. But real English starts with simple sentences.
Simple sentences mean more confidence.
Let's start with the morning.
When you wake up, say, I am awake. I feel tired. I need coffee.
Very good. Simple and real English.
You can also say, it is morning. I am ready for the day.
Quick question for you. Are you tired right now?
Say it with me. I am tired.
Now let's talk about English at home.
Look around and say, I am at home. I am sitting. I am watching TV.
Perfect. You don't need grammar books.
You can say, I am cooking. The food smells good. I am hungry.
This is daily English. What about outside, Adam?
Very easy. I am going to work. I am on the bus. It is very busy.
Good.
You can also say, I am waiting. I am late. No problem.
These sentences help you survive in English. Where are you right now?
Say one sentence. I am at blanks.
English is not only actions, it is also feelings.
Yes, I am happy. I am sad. I feel excited.
You can also say, I feel good today. I feel stressed.
These sentences help you express yourself.
Before sleeping, talk about your day.
Like this. Today was good. I worked a lot. I am tired now.
Or you can say, I had a busy day. I am ready to sleep.
This trains your brain every day. Sarah, these sentences are very simple.
Yes, and that is the secret.
Simple English is strong English.
Fluency comes from simple sentences. You don't need perfect English.
You need daily English.
Speak these sentences every day.
Even 5 minutes is enough.
Let's review.
Use simple English sentences.
In the morning,
At home
outside.
and at night.
Everyday English makes you confident.
If this video helped you, please like this video.
And subscribe to Mr. Next channel for more easy English lessons.
Share this video with a friend who wants to speak English.
Now your homework. Write one sentence in the comments. Today I feel blanks.
Today I feel blanks.
We want to read your sentences.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Keep practicing. Bye.